Burpee. Just the name alone can send shivers down the spine of anyone who has ever attempted one. It's a word that evokes a mix of dread and determination. A single exercise that packs a punch. A full-body workout that promises to burn fat quickly and efficiently. But what exactly is a burpee? At its core, it's a combination of a squat, a jump, and a push-up, all rolled into one fluid movement. It's the kind of exercise that doesn't just test your physical strength. It challenges your mental fortitude, pushing you to your limits and demanding that you dig deep, even when every fiber of your being screams to stop. Let's break it down. You start standing tall, feet shoulder-width apart, ready to conquer the world, or at least the next 30 seconds. You drop into a squat, hands hitting the ground, and in that moment, you feel the weight of your body shift. It's a brief pause, a moment of hesitation before you kick your legs back into a plank position. Your core engages, your arms brace against the floor, and you realize how vulnerable you are in that position. But vulnerability breeds strength, and as you lower yourself for that push-up, you remind yourself why you're here. You push back up, feeling the burn in your chest, and then, with a swift motion, you kick your legs back toward your hands, returning to that squat. And then comes the jump. You explode upward, arms reaching for the sky, a moment of pure exhilaration that makes all the pain worth it. You land softly, ready to repeat the cycle. It's a dance of sorts, a rhythm that builds as you go, and with each repetition, you feel the sweat pouring down your back, your heart racing, your breath coming in quick gasps. It's a beautiful chaos, a reminder that you're alive, that you're pushing through the discomfort, that you're burning fat and building strength with every single rep. But burpees aren't just about the physical benefits. They're a metaphor for life. They teach you resilience, the importance of getting back up after you've been knocked down, of pushing through the struggle to reach that moment of triumph. Each burpee is a small victory, a testament to your willpower and determination. And yes, they burn fat quickly, but they also burn away self-doubt, fear, and hesitation. They remind you that you are capable of more than you think, that you can push through the pain and emerge stronger on the other side. So the next time you hear someone mention burpees, don't cringe. Embrace them. They're not just an exercise, they're a challenge, a journey, a celebration of what your body can achieve when you refuse to give up.